Hey guys, today we're going a bit further afield than York, Hull. We're going to go check out the Audiolab 9000A Amplifier. So let's go and have a look. You come in. Morning guys.
Hey guys.
Can we borrow your demo room?
It's okay.
So, the Audiolab 9000A Amplifier. Let's get into it. What have we got? Instruction manual, which we of course always read. We'll read that later. We've got a box of accessories. Cool. One power cable. We've got nice remote control. Nice and simple and functional. Everything you need on there. It's even got like a brushed metal finish on there. That's everything in the box. Right, main event time. Where's the front and back? Ooh, look at that. Oh, it's heavy. Is it heavy? Then it's expensive, put it back.
Then they're expensive, put them back.
Let's take a closer look. Really, the 9000A is a sort of classic all-rounder. It suits a wide range of different music genres, speakers, room sizes. Its connectivity is absolutely incredible. I'll show you in a minute, but it's got 10, yes, 10 digital and analog inputs, and it's also got Bluetooth for ease of connection. And that Bluetooth really good because it has aptX X technology, meaning you get CD quality sound from your smart devices. And it even has MQA and room certification, which is really handy. It's got a really clean, minimal design with that matte black finish, and you've got that huge but simple screen on there which adds a splash of colour. It can pump out an impressive 100 watts per channel, which, thinking about it, makes it twice as powerful as the 6000A. So it's got a lot of oomph to it. Oomph is a word. It's got a lot of oomph to it. But you can get a lot of headroom at higher volume levels, but at lower volume levels it's more balanced sound, so it can handle different genres really well. What really does stand out in that minimal frontage though is this big, bright, full color display, and this clearly shows you playback sources, your file information, and a bunch of other menu options, so it makes it really easy to find that perfect individual setting. Let's flip it round. Ow! It's heavy bugger. Look at all the connections. Of course, it has a built-in DAC with that high-res compatibility, so you can connect a bunch of different sources, your computer, your games console, your TV, Blu-ray player, whatever you want. And oh, it also has a dedicated phono preamp, so it's great for pairing with a turntable. Just hook it up with a good pair of speakers and get listening. And just taking a close look at the back, hang on. There you go. You've got these high quality binding posts, which you get with products of this kind of level, and you can go banana plug straight into there, or you can unscrew and just put the wire straight in. Pretty standard stuff. We've got your Bluetooth antenna. We've got the USB input as well, so it makes it ideal as part of a whole computer kind of work music setup. And we've got the optical and coaxial inputs. Now, that really makes a big difference when you're hooking up something like a television. A lot of TVs still have an optical output for your sound. So when you hook it in something like this, you're really going to get the best out of your movies, TVs, games, everything. It's just a great addition. And we've got those balanced XLR inputs, so if you've got a compatible device that you can feed that straight into, you're really going to get top quality sound from those inputs alone. And then of course you've got this slew of RCA inputs and outputs on the back. You've got a dedicated pre-out to hook up to another amplifier if you wanted to, and then you've got these auxiliary inputs to hook pretty much whatever you want into it, and that dedicated phono input at the end there as well with that grounding post. So if your turntable doesn't have a phono preamp built in, you can hook it straight into this, and if it does, you can use any one of the RCAs. Turntables can be a bit of a minefield to navigate, so what we'd recommend is give our telesales line a call, or you can pop into your local store and they can really give you some sound advice on what you can pair with the Audiolab. Now, the Audiolab isn't the only amplifier, of course, that we've got on offer at Richer Sounds. I am by far not an expert on amplifiers, and I don't get to listen to these as much as I'd like to, but I do know some people who get to listen to them every day, so let's go and talk to them. I'm here with Cal, who's the deputy manager of the Hull store. Hey, Cal.
Hi, Cal. Oh, that's me.
I'm here with Cal, who's the deputy manager of the Hull store. Hey, man.
Hi.
So we've been looking at the 9000A in the demo room, but we also want to give viewers an opportunity to look at alternate options. So what would you say you go for if someone comes in and wants to see a whole bunch of different amps?
Yeah, sure. Well, we usually start with the CX-881. That's our sort of staple in the dem room. Yep. I mean, you can't go wrong. It's absolutely brilliant. Some people are maybe wanting a little bit more or to look at beyond that. I usually start with the Roxanne K3. I think it's absolutely brilliant. Got loads of body, just a real nice warm sound, loads of power.
What is the one that you really can't wait to show off?
Yeah, man, I'll take any opportunity to listen to the Arcam A25. Absolutely love it. Looks stunning, and everything sounds brilliant on it. Every genre that you want to listen to is just amazing. Yeah, but don't take my word for it. Obviously, that's my opinion. Anyone looking at these amplifiers, just get in touch with us. You can bring your CDs, bring your vinyl. We'd love to hear it.
Have a brew.
And that's it, yeah. We've got our little VIP station. We can do you a coffee. We do you a latte. That's it. Yeah.
Heard it from the man himself. Cheers, Cal.
No worries.
So there it is, a quick look at the Audiolab 9000A Amplifier, but don't just take my word for it. Why not pop down to your local Richer Sound store and have yourself a demo? If you need to know where your local store is, why not click the link? But for now, thanks for joining me for this video. If you're feeling generous, why not drop us a like? But unfortunately, our subscribe button's broken. You can always try it if you want. Go on, try it. Got 'em.